Hey guys, what's up? My name is Gaurav. You're watching me on Taurus Tech, and welcome back for another episode of Tech News. And in this Tech News episode, we have two news that are related to mobile phones. So before we start this video, if you are new to this channel, please make sure you're subscribed. Hit the bell icon so you get notifications whenever I post a video. I make tech videos every single day, so I recommend you to subscribe if you are into tech. And now, without any further ado, let's get right into the video. The first news in this episode is going to be from the Apple company. Apple has been working quite hard for the iPhone 12, which is coming in rumors a lot of times these days. And there is a new rumor suggesting that Apple is going to be releasing a new version of this iPhone 12, which is going to be the smallest version. And ironically, it is going to be called the iPhone 12 mini. Yes, they have decided that this phone is going to be called the iPhone 12 mini. And with this phone included, iPhone 12 is going to be coming in 4 variants. That is the iPhone 12 Pro, the iPhone 12, iPhone 12 Pro Max, and now newly rumored iPhone 12. This new iPhone 12 and the whole iPhone 12 series is going to be coming very soon and may debut in the next month itself. So how did we get to know that this new iPhone 12 is going to be called iPhone 12 mini? Well, on Friday, a tipster who leaked the iPad Air browser last month has also made a tweet leaking the silicone cases that were made for Apple phones, the Apple iPhone 12 series phone specifically. And in this photo, as you can see, it has already been mentioned with the iPhone 12 Pro Max, the iPhone 12 Pro and the iPhone 12, there is another phone that is the iPhone 12 mini. So by looking at this picture, we can tell you that the iPhone 12 is going to be coming in the smallest version as iPhone 12 mini. This may be in the shape and size of this iPhone SE that came in 2020. So as expected, it may look like iPhone 8 or the iPhone new SE. That said, Apple is speculated to host a virtual event for the iPhone 12 family, which is going to be revealing how many numbers of phones are coming and what are the prices of all these phones in this event. If the iPhone 12 is going to be similar to the iPhone SE, there are going to be new options for a lot of people to buy this phone. If a person is about to buy iPhone SE, he may be looking for options, and iPhone 12 mini could be another option. The second news is from TechnoSpark company. This Chinese company has recently launched their new phone, that is the TechnoSpark 6 in Pakistan, not in India. It's going to be coming in India quite soon, but here are some of the specifications about this phone. So the TechnoSpark 6 is going to be coming with a display of 6.8-inch HD plus display with 720 into 1640 pixels resolution. It is going to be coming with a MediaTek Helio G70 processor, and the RAM variant on this phone is a single RAM variant. It is going to be coming with 4 GB of RAM, and the storage options are also not there. Only one storage option, and that is 64 GB of storage. The battery on this phone is a 5000 mAh battery, which comes with an 18-watt fast charging support. So the camera on this phone is a quad cam setup in the back, and front cam, there's only one front cam. The quad cam is a 16 megapixels primary camera with 222. All the 3 cameras are 2 megapixels, and that is macro shooter, a depth sensor, and an AI scene result. I don't know what this camera is, but the other 2 megapixels camera is an AI scene result. The front facing camera on this phone is an 8 megapixels shooter. This phone comes with Android 10 as standard, and this Android 10 is based on HiOS 7.0, which is the OS of the Techno company. And now let's talk about the pricing of this phone. So firstly, this phone comes at around 20,599 in Pakistani currency, which means when you convert it to Indian currency, it is going to be costing at around 9,200, which means that this phone is a very budget oriented phone. And for 9,200, you are getting a quad cam setup in the back and a front cam, a single front cam. But quad cam is not that good because it's a 16 megapixels primary camera, and the rest of the 3 cameras are just 2 megapixels. So camera is not going to be that good. But hey, let's see how this phone is going to be turning out. This was all for today's tech news episode, and I hope you like this kind of small tech news episodes. with only 2 newses in it. But if you did like this video, leave a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe if you're new around here. My name is Gaurav. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.